J.O.P. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yeah, 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 yeah. Ha, 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 ho, ho, ho. Couple rubber band, couple stop then, yeah. Couple rubber band, couple stop then, yeah. Up in the street, we are drop dead. J.O.P.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, that is the tune. So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's get started. So first of all, I'm just doing my brows, filling them in with the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil. And my brows haven't been done in ages, over a month and a bit, nearly 2 months. Crazy, so they're like super thick. All good in the hood. So I'm just using my Benefit Brow Conditioning Primer just to make my brows stay in place and just condition them. Then I'm using the Makeup Revolution Concealer in C13 as a concealer for my brows and for the lid space as well. So I'm just putting that all over the lid, and then I'm going to blend that out with my Real Techniques beauty sponge and all that. I'm so going far past this video, but yeah, listen, I'm a pro at this now, yeah. I'm only joking. But yeah, just blending that away, and then I'm going to set that with the Beauty Bakerie flower powder. Quite cool. It's in the color yellow. I love Beauty Bakerie. Everything's like baking stuff. It's mad. Then I'm using Jacklyn Hill palette. I'm using like a corally shade and just like put it on the lid. I must say, so far after using this is my first time, and I just think that, why did I buy this? I don't know. Maybe it's just me. Oh my god, guys, look at this. My chandelier dropped and the bulb smashed everywhere. Like, it's mad. But yeah, I'm just using a darker shade just to create like a light crease color. I'm keeping the shadows quite light to start off with, and I'm just gonna build that up. I've learned how to build, so I'm just like trying to cut out a little crease and all that. Then I'm going to go back into the Makeup Revolution C13 concealer, and I'm going to cut the crease. So what I do is just put a little bit of concealer on first, look up so that it transfers up to where, you know, my eye socket is, or I don't know, maybe it's that, yeah. And I'm just going to be filling that all in, like creating like a liner, you know how you drag it all the way out. And I feel like this makes my eyes look really good nowadays, so I'm always doing this. Always gonna do a cut crease. Yes. So I'm just, you know, cutting the crease and dragging that out on both lids, and then I'll set that with some eyeshadow afterwards. So I'm just gonna go back in with the Jacklyn palette as usual, because yeah, I was gonna use the translucent powder, but I prefer to just put the eyeshadow straight on. So I'm just using like a nice creamy color on the lid and pat that on. Guys, I must say I really like this color. It's a bit dusty, but it doesn't transfer. Does that make sense? I don't even know. It's dusty, but it doesn't have a lot of fallout. So yeah, it's weird. But yeah, I really like this color. So I might give the palette another chance. I'm using the Duo Lash Glue with an angled brush. No, angled or bent. Well, the brush looks like someone just bent it at the corner. This is from Makeup Addiction Cosmetics. And I'm just using that to put my Duo Lash Adhesive on the crease, because that's where I'm going to put the glitter. And as you saw before, I used the Makeup Addiction loose glitter, and that was in the color 24 Gold. Yeah, so I'm just cutting out the other crease. And yeah, this takes some time if you want to get it like perfect. But with more practice, then I definitely think you become a pro. So yeah, I'm using the 24K Gold glitter where I put the lash adhesive. Guys, imagine I'm actually doing this voiceover in one take. I am brave. No, I'm telling you, I'm brave. And I haven't fast forwarded the video as much. So it's just like, you know, going really slow so you like can see Wagwan. But yeah, I'm just, oh, that bit is really long. But yeah, I'm just putting that on the bit where the lash glue is, making sure I take my time. And I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Ink waterproof liner in black, and it's the matte black one. And I'm just trying to create a thick winged liner look. I find it particularly hard today to do this. I don't know why, because I haven't worn liner in a very, very long time, guys. But I miss liner as well. It's oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. I did it really good. But yeah, I'm using the Huda Beauty lashes in Scarlett, and then I'm just putting some liner on the lash band as well as fill in any gaps, just because I need it to be perfect, guys. It needs to look good, especially if you're going on a night out and everything. Then after that, I'm just using my tea tree wipes from Superdrug and just wiping down my face, ready for a bit of moisturizer. This is the Vitamin E moisturizer for dry and sensitive skin from the Body Shop. Absolutely beautiful, goes on like butter. Then I'm going to be using a darker shade. I think this is C14 or C15, actually C14. I'm just using that to line the top of my, not line, but conceal my brows to make it sharp at the top too. Since my brows are thick, they have to be sharp. After that, I'm just going in and intensifying the crease with a brown shade from the Jacklyn Hill palette, and just blending, 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 blend, 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 blend. Then I'm using the Benefit Professional primer. This is the matte rescue one. I'm just putting that on my T-zone area because that's very oily. Then I'm using the Huda Beauty Bold Filter foundation in the shade Nutmeg. I feel like it's a little bit too light for me. I might go darker, but I'm just using a flat brush, foundation brush, and just, you know, distributing that all over the face and blend at the same time. And then I'm using the MAC Studio Fix, no, not Studio Fix, what is it, the MAC, oh my god, it's completely lost my fixing spray on a beauty blender, and I'm just, you know, blending everything out so it's seamless. Then I'm going to be highlighting with the Makeup Revolution concealer, and I wasn't lying, guys, when I said that this is my favorite concealer, more than my Tarte Shape Tape. And the fact it's £4, yeah, just shows that people love to overprice you on other cosmetics when they can do really good quality for cheap.
You know you that bitch when you cause all this conversation. My daddy Alabama, my daddy Alabama, my daddy Alabama, my daddy Alabama, my daddy, my daddy, my daddy, my daddy.
Music make you lose control.
Then after that, I blended it out, and then I'm using my Beauty Bakerie powder again, and just using that to set everything. So just tapping that all the way in, and then I'm also, you know, making sure that my cheekbones stand out on my forehead, on my chin, and on the tash area as well. I mean, the upper lip, I call it tash area because that's literally my biggest problem area. Then I'm just going to blend everything out, and just not blend. It's early in the morning. Sorry guys, I'm just going to get rid of all that powder and just, you know, buff, 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 buff. Then I'm going to use the L'Oreal True Match powder. This is in cocoa, and just make sure that all the harsh white bits are gone. This is just what helps me prevent flashback from cameras and stuff like that, and it really does work. Then I'm going in with that brown color that I used in the crease. I'm going to put that underneath my eye just to smoke it out a little bit and not be too plain, but we're keeping it kind of soft-ish because I feel like the eyeliner and, you know, the glitter bit just makes it very dramatic. So I've curled my lashes now. They make a huge difference when you curl your lashes. Just wait a bit for the lash glue to dry. Then I'm going to be using a cream eyeliner from Primark, £1, and it's just cool. It's just like the best thing ever, and it's lasted me so long. So I'm just lining the waterline with that. And I'm using my L'Oreal mascara Mega Lash in Miss Hippie, and just coating my lashes. And this mascara is my favorite. I don't buy anything else. And I'm using the CoverGirl bronzer. I think this is dark, and then I'm just going to use it and bronze my face, and I bronze to death. Like, I just go in, like, proper, like, yes, just go in and bronze, bronze, bronze. If I bronze, I don't feel like I need to contour, so I feel like the bronzer gives you like a really nice contour and give you a nice shadow to your face, and it's not too harsh. Then I'm going with my Makeup Revolution strobe highlighter, and I forgot the name of this one, the color of it, but I'll link it in the description bar below, so do check out the description bar to actually like see, you know, where everything is from and all that. So I've set my face again, and I'm just waiting for it to kind of dry. You're just leaving little spots in my face, it's weird, but then while it's drying, just put some more highlighter on to make it pop that little bit extra. And I'm just going to highlight the inner corners of my eyes with that Makeup Revolution Strobing highlighter. That's just to brighten it up and open it up a little bit. Then I'm going to be using my Incredible, it's like a lip jelly. It's in the color X Revenge. So basically moisturizing my lips. Like, guys, look how much stuff they sent me, and I love every single color, so I'm literally gonna keep that and just, like, you know, have enough for at least 5 years. Then I'm going to be using another one of their lip products. This is like a matte lipstick, and it's in the color I'm Good Thanks, and it's really nice, like a nice peachy nude. So lovely. And I'm going to be using my ColourPop liner in Stitch, I think it is, or Pitch, no, Pitch, in Pitch. And I'm just going to be using that to line my lips, and then just rub everything together, take out my hair, and I'm done. So thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next video. Woohoo!